Kagoshima Prefecture is a prefecture of Japan located on the island of Kyushu. The capital is the city of Kagoshima. Geography: Kagoshima Prefecture is located at the southwest tip of Kyushu on the Satsuma Peninsula and Osume Peninsulas. This prefecture also includes a chain of islands stretching further to the southwest of Kyushu for a few hundred kilometers. The most important group is the Amami Islands, surrounded by the East China Sea to the west, Okinawa Prefecture in the south, Kumamoto Prefecture to the north, and Miyazaki Prefecture to the east. It has 2,632 kilometers of coastline. It has a bay called Kagoshima Bay, which is sandwiched by two peninsulas, Satsuma and Osume. Its position made it a gateway to Japan at various times in history. While Kyushu has about 13 million people, there are less than 2 million in this prefecture. The prefecture boasts a chain of active and dormant volcanoes, including the Great Sakurajima, which towers out of the Kagoshima Bay opposite Kagoshima City. A steady trickle of smoke and ash emerges from the caldera, punctuated by louder mini-eruptions on an almost daily basis. On active days in Kagoshima City, an umbrella is advisable to ward off the ash. Sakurajima is one of Japan's most active volcanoes. Major eruptions occurred in 1914, when the island mountain spilled enough material to become permanently connected to the mainland, and a lesser eruption in 1960. Volcanic materials in the soil make Sakurajima a source for record daikon radishes, roughly the size of a basketball. Many beaches around the Kagoshima Bay are littered with well-worn pumice stones. A crater lake in the southwestern tip of the prefecture, near the spa town of Ibasuki, is home to a rare species of giant eel. As of March 31, 2008, 9% of the total land area of the prefecture was designated as natural parks, namely the Kirishima-Yaku and Unzen-Amakusa National Parks, Amami-Guntu and Nichinan Kaigan Quasi National Parks, and Akuni, Bonoma, Fukuchama, Imatike, Koshikajima, Osume Nanbu, Sendegawa, Ariwiki, Takakumayama, and Takara-Reta Prefectural Natural Parks. History: Kagoshima Prefecture corresponds to the ancient Japanese provinces Osume and Satsuma, including the northern part of the Ryukyu Islands. This region played a key role in the Meiji Restoration, and the city of Kagoshima was an important naval base during Japan's 20th-century wars and the home of Admiral Togo Hashiro. More recent incidents of the sinking of a North Korean spy ship in 2001 by the Coast Guard, which was later salvaged and exhibited in Tokyo, and the abduction of an office clerk from a Kagoshima beach in 1978 by agents from the same country. This became known only recently under the Koizumi administration. Economy: most of the economic sector is focused in Kagoshima City and the surrounding area, corresponding to the extent of the former Satsuma province. The eastern part of the prefecture, the former Osume province, is mostly rural and shows a general population decline. The prefecture has strong agricultural roots, which are reflected in its most well-known exports: green tea, sweet potato, radish, ponji rice, satsuma ware and bakship ore. Kagoshima Prefecture's production of bonito flakes is second only to that of Shizuoka. In addition, it produces Japan's largest volume of unagi eels. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency has several facilities within the prefecture, including the country's main launch facility on Tanegashima and the Uchinori Space Center. The prefecture's gross domestic product is approximately 4.834 trillion yen. Region: The following is a list of Kagoshima Prefecture's cities and its administrative districts with the constituent towns and villages. Cities. 19 cities are located in Kagoshima Prefecture. Districts. These of the towns and villages in each district merges sport and recreation. No major baseball or soccer club is based in the prefecture. A number of Kagoshima's ballparks play host to well-known teams. Kagoshima Prefectural Ballpark Camp, home of Chiba Lotte Marines. Kagoshima Municipal Ballpark. Ibasuki Municipal Ballpark Camp, home of Kokutatsu Swallows. Unomoto Ballpark Camp, home of Yakult Atoms. Kagoshima Prefectural Kamonoiki Track Field Camp, home of Jubilo Iwata. Kagoshima Furia Esportsland Camp, home of Sagan Tarzu. Kagoshima Prefectural Kamonoiki Track Field Camp, home of Toshiba Futu Brave Rupas. The Kirishima Yaku National Park is located in Kagoshima Prefecture. Colleges and universities. Kagoshima University. National Institute of Fitness and Sports in Kanoya. The International University of Kagoshima. Kagoshima Immaculate Heart University. Daiichi Institute of Technology. Shigakukan University. Kagoshima Prefectural College. Kagoshima Immaculate Heart College. Kagoshima Women's Junior College. Daiichi Junior College of Infant Education. Science and Technology Facilities. Tanegashima Space Center. Uchinori Space Center. Museums. Bansei Toko Peace Museum. Kairin Peace Museum for Kamikaze Pilots. Museum of the Meiji Restoration. Riemikan Kagoshima Prefectural Center for Historical Material. Uenohara Site. Transportation. Rail Junior Kyushu Shinkansen Kagoshima Line Nippo Line Ibasuki Makurazaki Line Hisatsu Line Kito Line. Hisatsu Orange Railway. Trams Kagoshima City Tram. Roads Expressways and Toll Roads Kyushu Expressway. Miyazaki Expressway. Ibasuki Toll Road. Minami Kyushu Expressway. Higashi Kyushu Expressway. National Highways. National Route 3. National Route 10. National Route 58. Route 220. Route 223. Route 224. Route 225. Route 226. Route 267. Route 268. Route 269. Route 270. Route 328. Route 389. Route 447. Route 448. Route 499. Route 504. Ports. Kagoshima Port Domestic Ferry Route to Sakurajima, Kikai Island, Tokunoshima, Amami Island, Tanegashima, Jakushima, Yoron Island, Okinawa and Aha. High-speed craft route to Ibasuki, Tanegashima and Yakushima. International Container Hub Port. Shibushi Port Ferry Route to Osaka, Tokyo, Naha and Amami Island. International and Domestic Container Hub Port. Naze Port Ferry Route to Osaka, Kobe, Kagoshima, Jakushima, Tanegashima, Tokunoshima and Naha. Jakushima Port. Tanegashima Port. Tokunoshima Port. Airports. Kagoshima Airport. Amami Airport. Tokunoshima Airport. Tanegashima Airport. Jakushima Airport. Okinawa Airport. Yoron Airport. Notable people. Mythical creatures. Garapa. Sea. Iton Momin. Sister relations. Miami, United States. Naples, Italy. Giola Bukdu, South Korea. October 1989 Duo Declaration. Georgia, United States. November 28, 1966 became a sister state. Jiangsu, China. Gifu Prefecture. July 27, 1971 became a sister prefecture.